Welcome to our Hotel Tips channel. Imagine a 255-acre retreat with breathtaking classic Spanish architecture, and all just minutes from the roller coasters at Universal Orlando. In this review, we'll explore Rosen Shingle Creek to find out if this golf resort is actually the smartest choice for your next Florida vacation. Is it worth giving up the inside the park benefits for this? Let's find out now. To make it easier, I've left the hotel link in the video description and also in the crew code that appears on your screen. Now leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to know if it's worth staying here, watch this video until the end. The hotel is located at 9939 Universal Boulevard. The location is strategic. You are exactly 10 minutes from Universal Orlando Resort and SeaWorld. In addition, it is right behind International Drive, meaning you have the best of both worlds. The peace of a secluded resort, but a stone's throw from Icon Park and the best restaurants in the city. For those coming from out of town, the journey from the airport is super quick, about 15 to 20 minutes. Rosen Shingle Creek is not just a hotel, it's a destination for sports enthusiasts. It houses one of the most famous golf courses in the United States, the Shingle Creek Golf Club. If you're into gastronomy, prepare your palate. There are 15 restaurant options inside. I highlighted a Land Remembered, which is an incredible steakhouse, and the Italian restaurant Colabella. And leisure. There are 4 giant swimming pools, a luxury spa, tennis and volleyball courts. The rooms are immense, with that boutique hotel feel, and the sunset views over the golf course. Well, those are a show in themselves. Now, why choose Shingle Creek? First, transparency. Unlike many resorts here in Orlando, the Rosen chain is known for not charging those hidden resort fees, the famous resort fees. Second, the service. It's a 4-dine and hotel, so the service is far superior to what you find in the region's budget hotels. It's a quiet and very spacious luxury. But how much does this dream cost? Daily rates usually range between $180 and $320, depending on the season. If you do the math, it's the price of a moderate Disney hotel, but with the structure of a very high-end luxury hotel. Is it worth it? If you want a sophisticated experience, enjoy fine dining, and want a relaxing retreat after the theme park marathon, the answer is yes, definitely. Now, if you insist on waking up surrounded by characters and children's themes, maybe it's not for you. The Rosen Shingle Creek is for the traveler who wants the best that Orlando has to offer beyond the parks. So, do you prefer the updated themed hotels or the comfort of a resort like this? Comment below. I want to know your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive reviews like this one, and make your reservation now using our link to guarantee the best prices. Until next time.